Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use technical indicators on Robinhood. The first step is to access the chart, so you're going to do that by opening the Robinhood app or your mobile device, and then tap on a stock to view its charts, and then you can just select the time frame. So you can just choose from various time frames such as ID, IW, or IM. And the step 2, you can add indicators, so you can tap the indicator button on the charts and then choose from a list of available indicators such as moving averages, RSI, or Bollinger Bands. And you can just customize the indicator setting by just adjust the setting for the selected indicators such as the period or sensitivity. Now step 3 is to interpret the indicator. So you want to learn what the indicator is designed to measure, such as trends, directions, or movements, and also look for buy or sell signals such as crossovers or divergence. You also want to use multiple indicators to form a more comprehensive view of the market. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use technical indicators on Robinhood. Hope you guys found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.